Hey, I'm not here to pitch or ask for investment. I just want to share something I have lived through. A story that shaped a new idea. And here is what I learned about jobs and hiring. And a special idea I want to build that can help both job seekers and company. If you ever struggle to find right people for your team, I think you will relate. Let's start at the beginning. In 2013, I went to my first college campus job interview. What I saw really confused me. Most people didn't even know what the job was about. They just knew it was a big company with a cool job title. I thought, how can you choose a job if you don't understand it? I decided not to try for those jobs because it didn't feel right to me. That's when the seed of this problem was planted in my mind. That same year, something very sad happened that changed me forever. I lost my father in a car accident. I was just 19. The pain made me fearless. So I promised myself to do something that would help my people, my city, and even the world. I heard a story about founders of some startup, I guess Loom, who met on Twitter and built something big. So I turned to coding and built some small tool to help people who want to learn English. For years, I worked in different companies, 17 in total, hoping to find a team where I felt aligned. I was always looking for a great boss or someone who would mentor me or challenge me, but I never found that sense of shared vision or purpose. I had a long list of what to do when I launched my own company. In 2019, I started software agency and a staffing agency. My wife joined me and together we built our own special office, a big open mud building that we designed ourselves.
As we grew, we started working with companies like Canva, Smart Data, and even government organizations like IIT Roorkee. While outsourcing our developers, I saw the problem over and over. Client wanted updated resumes, vetting reports, and real-time tracking, and we didn't have any of that.
Companies only looked for skills, not whether someone would really fit their team. Most places used old way to check work and hiring teamwork was hard.
So we decided to solve it. In 2023, we formed a small internal team to build something better, but it didn't go as planned. The team lacked motivation. No one cared about the mission. We wasted time and money.
It honestly broke my heart. That failure taught me one big lesson. No matter how open your culture is, if you don't have the right people in the room, it just won't work. I was trying to motivate people who were never aligned in the first place.
After many failures, we realized just building a good office or reading leadership book isn't enough. The most important thing is the hiring the right people, those who care about your company's value and vision.
So I went back to the roots. I studied hiring like a student. I read Start with Why, Drive, Recruiting Rockstar, and created my own hiring system focused on three things: a wide talent pool, unbiased interview, and culture fit. I tested it and it worked. People become self-driven.
When we started talking to other startup founders, we realized we wasn't alone. Everyone was facing this. Employees weren't curious. They need constant hand-holding. They stayed for years, but there was no spark. Even pre-vetted devs felt disconnected.
The problem is current platform treat hiring like shopping. Job portals are just list. Freelancer sites are about speed and price. There is no depth, no alignment, just transaction.
Job websites and freelancing platform had no way to truly know if someone was honest or a good fit.
So we decided to create a new hiring platform where both workers and companies are matched by their skill and their purpose. A remote staffing marketplace, but with heart. A place where startups find developers who align on vision, value, and work style. A place where relationship matters more than contract.
On our platform, both companies and developers fill out simple form so the website can really know them. The system suggests the top 10 best matches for every job. Companies can use ready-made templates for hiring or search with special filter. You can see actual work sample and real feedback given by people who really worked with the person.
There is reputation score that work like credit score. It goes up with honest and good work and down with their bad action. This makes sure only honest and motivated worker and company get noticed.
Our goal is to create trust and real connection between people and company. Workers find honest job where they fit. And companies find team player who can care about more than just a paycheck.
No more fake resumes or broken promise. We are now designing this platform and searching for feedback before building it. If you have advice, questions, or want to share your own story, we would love to hear. Thank you for listening to this journey. Even if this never become big, I'm proud I'm building it with intention. Feel free to reach out even if it's just to say hi.